Hi viewers, in this video let us focus the one of the important questions in astronomy and astrophysics, that is whether we made out of the stardust. The latest finding by James Webb and other star based telescopes suggest that yes, we have literally made of stardust. Actually, the evidence are coming from elements formed in stars. You know that the Big Bang created only the hydrogen, helium and trace lithium. So you know that all the carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and iron and other heavy elements are forged inside a star. So the nuclear fusion in living stars like our suns are ongoing. Another thing is the supernova explosion. When the heaviest massive star reaches its end, it becomes as a supernova and explodes. After that, there is another clue about the neutron star collisions. This also creating the gold and platinum and other heavier elements. So how these things such as the supernova explosion, neutron star collisions and the heavier elements created by the Big Bang, that is carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, as well as the actual elements of the Big Bang, hydrogen, helium and lithium, how these things are connected with the formation of the earth in which the human and other life. Let us discuss and explore this deeper. When stars die, they explode as a supernovae or shed outer layers, scattering heavy elements into the space. So when the death of the star, a supernova or any other format occurs, it scatters the heavier elements into the space. Giant nuclear clouds are formed, which later form the other stars like Sun and planets like Earth and other cosmological bodies. So here you got the proof that the dying star as a supernova or in any other form leave the heavier elements into the space. That heavier elements again create the stars and planets. Then the proof in our bodies. So what is the proof in our bodies? That we have the same materials that of the stars, that of the dying stars or newborn stars. Actually 97% of our body mass comes from the stardust. Actually there is a oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, calcium and phosphorus. These all are from the stars. These all are the remnant of the dying stars. These elements are the building blocks for the new stars. When a star dies as a supernova or in any other form and it leaves these elements, again these elements form the new stars. So 97% of our body mass is by the oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, calcium and phosphorus. So you can say we have formed from the stardust. Another thing, iron in our blood comes from the dying star, actually billions of years ago. So we can find the iron in our blood. So people used to say that when iron is not enough amount, they are getting diseases. So iron is one of the essential element in our body. So actually iron come from the dying stars. So Carl Sagan's very famous quote is there: the nitrogen in our DNA, the calcium in our teeth, the iron in our blood were made in the interior of collapsing stars. We are made out of stardust. So this was the one of very famous quote by Carl Sagan, the popular astronomer. So here is the proof that we have made by the stardust. The first one shows humans are deeply connected to the universe. That's why human mind is always thinking about the universe and try to solve the mystery of the universe. Another thing, this explains how planets and life get essential elements. Actually the planets including Earth and other planets share the same essential elements that of stars. So the life especially in Earth also share the same. This inspires this finding inspires that we are the universe observing ourselves. Actually, we are not part of the universe. It says we are the universe. We can observe the universe itself. So this may lead the philosophical point also. So anyway, we stop the video here, and anyway, what we are here proving is that according to the recent finding using the James Webb and other research modules, that we are made out of the stardust in our body. More than 97% are made by the stardust. Please be tuned with us for more similar interesting astronomical physics and psychological videos in English. Thank you for watching.